In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in QuickBooks Online. If you're looking to manage your finances more efficiently by using the appropriate currency for your business transactions, this guide is for you. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account and head over to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice a gear icon, which serves as a comprehensive menu for your account settings. Go ahead and click on it. This icon is your gateway to all sorts of customization and account management options, so it's always handy to know how to navigate this part of the interface. Once you've clicked the gear icon, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Accounts and Settings. This section is the hub of your financial settings and preferences, where you can tailor QuickBooks to best fit your business needs. After choosing Accounts and Settings, you'll see various tabs on the left side. These tabs organize the settings into categories, making it easier to find what you're looking for. Here, you're going to focus on the Advanced tab. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a new array of options specific to advanced functionalities. Within the Advanced tab, you'll find several settings that you can adjust, but for changing the currency, you need to look for the Currency option. Click on Currency, and this will open up the settings that allow you to change the currency displayed in your account. Now comes the crucial part, selecting your preferred currency. You'll see a drop-down menu or a list of available currencies. This powerful feature supports multiple options, so choose the one that aligns with your business transactions. Having the right currency setup will streamline your financial reporting and improve bookkeeping accuracy. Once you've made your choice, don't forget to save your changes. Look for a Save button, usually located at the bottom of the page. Clicking Save ensures that your preference is recorded, and QuickBooks Online will update your account settings accordingly. This simple step might seem minor, but it's vital to ensure all your financial data reflects the currency you've selected. Finally, after hitting Save, you can exit out or continue with more settings adjustments if needed by clicking Done. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the currency in QuickBooks Online. This adjustment allows you to manage your financial operations in the currency that best suits your business, keeping everything smooth and efficient. Remember, being comfortable with these settings not only saves you time, but also ensures that your financial management is more in tune with your specific business needs. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.